YouTube Music is shaking things up with a fresh new redesign of its now playing screen for both Android and iOS, and it's all about making music streaming smoother, faster, and more interesting. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. YouTube Music just gave its now playing screen a makeover, and let's just say it finally looks like it belongs in 2025. First spotted in testing last year? Yes, they've been keeping secrets. The new design is now rolling out on Android and iOS. The interface is cleaner, smarter, and way less clunky. The song and video toggle has packed its bags and moved from the top, while your playback controls have floated higher on the screen because, let's face it, our thumbs have been working too hard. And that old skinny circular playhead? Gone. Say hello to a chunky, boxy progress bar that gets thicker when you touch it. It's oddly satisfying and way more modern. But the real MVP? The brand new dual-pane Up Next section. Now you can just tap or swipe up to see what's coming next, be it your queue, playlist, or radio. It shows about 4 songs at first, but expands if you want more, and neatly collapses when you leave. No more messy menus or tapping 5 times just to check the next track. Other stuff got cooler too, like the action buttons like thumbs up, download, share, and all are now in a compact carousel. No more button overload. Lyrics and related songs open in their own little panels, so the screen isn't a chaotic mess. The update's rolling out slowly, so if you don't see it yet, try force-stopping the app or flicking it away from multitasking like a dramatic movie exit. All in all, YouTube Music's new now playing screen feels fresher, faster, and way more fun. Are you gonna try it out? Let us know in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.